Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily robotics and AI briefing. 3 fresh moves today. Faraday Future just put a humanoid robot inside a Los Angeles dental clinic. iFood and Speedbird Aero opened Brazil's first drone delivery route over a packed São Paulo neighborhood. And Taiwan unveiled 3 new armed robot dogs aimed straight at Beijing. First, Faraday Future, the electric vehicle maker most people remember for its FF91 supercar, has quietly turned into a humanoid robot company. On June 4th, Faraday Future announced it completed the first commercial deployment of its FF Master robot at the Wonderful Life Dental Group in Los Angeles. The robot handles patient check-in, appointment lookup, wayfinding, and multilingual reception in more than 50 languages. The clinic's owner, Dr. Jack Pye, said the robot already runs front desk interactions during business hours. This is the first United States healthcare deployment of Faraday Future's EAI humanoid line, and it puts the FF Master directly into the same waiting room slot that Apptronik, Figure, and 1X are still pitching slide decks about. Faraday Future shares popped on the news. Next, Brazil just leapfrogged most of the world on drone delivery. On June 4th, food delivery giant iFood and drone operator Speedbird Aero went live with the country's first commercial drone route authorized to overfly densely populated residential areas. The corridor runs 3.6 kilometres between Alphaville and Barueri in Greater São Paulo, with a 5-kilogram payload and a 5-minute aerial leg. ANAC and DECEA, the Brazilian aviation regulators, signed off on full residential overflight, something United States operators are still fighting for. The drones land on iFood-branded rooftop pads, and the food is handed off to motorcycle couriers for the last few metres. iFood says the new route already cuts delivery time by roughly half on the toughest São Paulo traffic windows. Finally, Taiwan's National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology rolled 3 armed robot dogs onto a Taipei street on June 2nd, and the message to Beijing was not subtle. The platform is the Ghost Robotics Vision 60 quadruped, customised into 3 variants: a reconnaissance dog, a LiDAR mapping dog, and a gun-mounted firepower dog. NCSIS says the system is intended for patrolling Taiwan's outer Pratas and Spratly Island holdings, where stationing humans is expensive and politically loaded. Reuters and Taiwanese press distributed the unveiling clips internationally within hours. Taiwan now joins the United States, China, and France on the very short list of governments openly deploying weaponized quadrupeds. That's it for today. Hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for the full daily briefing. See you tomorrow.